Here we go. Hi, this is Zin Swaraj Day, the fitness coach, again with a new fitness variation. I think you remember my fitness variation name, that is Hillol. So I'm back with another brand new episode. Here I'm going to talk about joint pain. घुटनों में दर्द, कमर में दर्द, दर्द ही दर्द. So let's get rid of all this dard. I'm here with a good solution for you. Again, I'm going to show you some movements, okay? So movements mean something which is very free. You can move your hand like this, anything. So get into specification. Let's start. So like every video, you will start with movements, okay? So just move your hand like this. It can be a warm-up. Warm up. Positive energy. This can be a good warm up. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Then clap. Right hand, left hand. Right hand, left hand. Right hand, left hand. You must be thinking, why coach is showing us such steps by moving his legs like this. Now, this is the pointers, okay? Why you have to keep mind. When you are moving, move your legs softly, okay? That is the main thing you need to keep in your mind. Whenever you are walking, whenever you are moving, whenever you're going this side, whenever you're doing this, you're tapping. You need to conscious on your feet. Remember, feet is very important to get rid of all your joint pains, okay? Tap slowly, conscious. Concentrate on your core, not on your knees. Remember, you should not force your knees. You concentrate on your core, all body pressure, everything will concentrate on your core. So let's start the movement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Move your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now 1, 2, 1, 2. Hand. 1, 2, 1, 2. Hand. 1, 2, 1, 2. Side. Up. Now 1, 2. 1, 2. Now let's do some jogging. Any music you can play and you can do this exercise. Jogging. Now let's come to the main movement of this video that would help you to forget your pain. Okay? So stay tuned. Watch till the end. This movement will help you to get rid of all of your body pains. Okay? Just try. Concentrate on your core, chest up, shoulder erect. Okay? This palm of your hand, like this. You just move your hand and your body like me with any music. Okay? So like this, just move your body like this. 1, 2, 3, up. Then 1, 2, 3, up. Again, 1, 2, 3, up. 1, 2, 3. Suppose we are doing it with music, okay? So now what we can do, we will do the steps, okay? Tap. Position. Tap. Up. 1, 2, 3. Again. Tap. Position. 1, 2. Up. So what we did, if we do this with music, it will get you energy, help you to distress yourself, and it will help you to move your body. The way you are moving your legs, the way you are moving your legs, the way you are moving your hand, your shoulder, your waist, your belly. And this movement is very important to get rid of your joint pain, that is back pain. Want it? So, play any music and do some moves, okay? Then 1, 2, 3, 4, up, 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 up. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, up, 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 up. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, up, 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 up. Then back, back, back. Don't fall. Mind your steps when moving back, okay? Then move, 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 move. Side, 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 side. Back, 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 back. Side, 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 side. Front, 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 front. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then this one. So remember, everybody, every move you are doing, you're moving your body parts. That will help you to get rid of your all body pains. This will increase your confidence level, your positivity, your thinking, your everything. Okay? So, practice it and feel the positive energy. And try to do it in a space which will give you sunlight with positive vibes. And one pointers you need to remember: don't talk to those people who are making you negative. Talk to yourself, be positive, think positive, be confident, and adopt a positive lifestyle.